and they've received our communication. We are holding our rally in Katwe. And after Katwe, we shall proceed to Natete and also speak to the people there, because there's nothing criminal about that. Fellow Ugandans, I want to remind you that you can actually change this. You have the power. You have the ability. You can change this. And you can change this now. So let us change it, and let us change it now. To our candidates, this is not any other usual election. For those of you that already have the party flag like myself, we are not just candidates. We are commanders in this fight for freedom. I told you before, I say this again, you are not any different from those that you were competing with for the flag. You just got the honor and responsibility to lead us with grace and with fearlessness, because you're commanders, you are not candidates. I want all of you to know, comrades, that where we're going is not going to be easy. Yes, it's not going to be easy. There's going to be pain. That's the bad news. But the good news, there will be victory at the end. They are going to harass us. They are going to beat us. They've already started arresting and abducting us. They've already started torturing us. You have seen they are trying to do every illegal thing, including denying us our legitimate funds that are constitutional. You've seen they're removing all our posters everywhere. Those are not signs of strength. Those are signs of weaknesses. Samora Machel said that if you see the enemy praising me or being nice to me, then know I've sold you out. When you see them harassing us, know that we are touching where we're supposed to be touching. We shall touch there more and more and more. So we are going to go through pain, but we are going to win. We are going to win. I know personally, we have information they intend to isolate me, the individual, to arrest all those around me. So comrades, prepare for that. But I say to you, we are going to win. Those who are scared, go back home. Those who are not ready for pain, please go back home. This is war. But one thing I know is that nobody can defeat us when God is on our side. So let us go for this. In the end, we shall win. In the end, we shall win. And if we've not won yet, then that is not the end yet. Thank you very much.